Greetings, my dear sister. I bring you good news from the Lord.
The Lord said I should tell you that He has seen your tears and He's ready to wipe them away. If and only if you obey and do what the Lord is saying.
Are you sure that is the God that I know that sent you?
Listen to me. I know that women like you can be stubborn. But give the Lord just a chance. Just
wait.
one.
I mean, look at your slippers. Hungry looking fake pastor.
Jesus!
No, why is going on?
Doctor, what do you say is the problem? You keep telling me everything will be fine, but I still feel pain in my knee.
Madam, you need to relax. I've told you to relax. The pain in your knee is as a result of stress. And you overstress that knee so much. That is why you need to listen to what I have to say.
Jesus, you again?
Yes, me again.
Why are you worrying me?
You don't want to listen to the good news I have for you for the Lord. You are running.
Nobody is not there again. Eventually.
Hi! Wow!
One man come and buy this one. I just brought it from Addis Ababa.
Oga, how many hours do you want me to wait before you attend to me? I'm in a hurry, can't you see that? Ade.
Madam, no worry, very, very soon I go finish.
You again.
This man!
Which kind of wahala be this one?
Run.
Why are you running? Madam? What for you?
One man come and buy this one. I just brought it from Addis Ababa.
What are you doing here? How did you get inside here? How did you get inside here? What? Is it by force?
Don't bother yourself. I have already locked that door. Women, you people are too stubborn. What will it take you to just sit down and listen to what I have to say?
Oh, you just talk. I'm listening to you.
Continue. See, the Lord said I should tell you that He has seen your pains, and that work that you are doing, that one that you are selling, that your work that you are doing, that you walk around every morning, every night, and still they will not pay you better money. Solution has come for you. Just sit down and listen to what I have to say. Moreover, have you heard of 1xBet?
1xBet? No.
1xBet is the most best and reliable betting platform. On 1xBet, registration is free. All you need to do is just download their app, create your own account, and any deposit you make there using my promo code Lenzi will be doubled by 200%. That is, if you put $100 there, you will have $200 extra, making it $300. 1xBet is the official sponsor to La Liga, FC Barcelona, and African Cup of Nations. 1xBet has a new offer where you can win cool gadgets and $30,000. That is if you win any game. So this is what I want to tell you since morning, and you have been running around. It's not like I want to chide you or anything. Madam, this is your key.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, get out. Which kind of wahala be this?
Madam, don't be like say they beg you for money, but just show me small appreciation.
Will you get out of this place?
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
You good news from Christ Jesus. Yeah, the Lord has told me to Hi! Wow!
Oga, how many hours left for you to attempt to me?
The official partners to the Football Federation Kiniko Cheweche.